Paano ba gamitin ang Pag-ibig mobile app? Ganito friend. First, i-download yung Virtual Pag-ibig mobile app. Then, mag-log in. If wala pa kayong account sa Virtual Pag-ibig, click nyo muna yung Create Account. Pag okay na, mag-log in na using yung registered email address nyo at yung password. Una nyong makikita yung account page. Nandyan yung name nyo, yung Pag-ibig MID number, yung membership category, yung current employer nyo, at yung registered mobile number. Sunod yung main page. Mache-check nyo dyan yung regular savings nyo and yung MP2 savings kung meron, pati na rin yung mga loans nyo. Last ay yung contact page ng Pag-ibig. Nandyan yung landline number, yung email, yung website, and yung Facebook page. And by the way, hindi nyo kailangan mag-login if kukunin nyo yung MID number nyo, i-check nyo yung loan status nyo, or magbabayad kayo online. That's it! Okay na ba? Gina ako. Please like and follow. Let's